Hi, everyone. It's Sandhya. I'm still waiting for Facebook to go live. Okay, here we go. Hi, Facebook and Instagram. It's Sandhya, your Sound Alchemist. I'm going to be reading from the I Am deck today. And then I'm also going to just be playing the chimes today for a little bit. Please remember to say yes to this container, to coming in, to receiving the reading, and to me holding space for you while we're doing all this, and for you to receive the best sound experience with your energy, right? And to be able to maintain the higher level of energy at the end. Okay? Please say yes. Thank you. And I'm shuffling the cards. And I believe the new moon is coming in sometime this week coming up, as well as Mercury is definitely going retrograde on October 13th. So today is the 11th, so that means on Tuesday, Mercury will be going retrograde. So just keep that in mind. And I think the new moon is also around that time as well. So I'll look into it and give you some more feedback. So I wanted to let you know that there's a very interesting interview that I put on the Facebook business page about, and it's also in the story, my storyline on the Facebook business page. So if you're connected to the Facebook page, you'll see the story too. It's an interview with Nassim, and I can't say his last name because I forget it, but he's a physicist. And I believe it's the person who's interviewing him is the person from Mind Valley, does that app. And I think his name is Vishen Lakiani. And what's really interesting is that Nassim, the physicist, is talking about wormholes and consciousness and spirituality with physics. So that combo is very interesting. And it's also created an opportunity for me to bring something new to you. And I'm willing to do that in the monthly call. So I also believe the monthly call, I have to look at the events page. I don't know what date it is. I forget the date. But whenever it is, I am going to be doing something where we create our own 0 point within the body, which is, but then we expand it into the whole body, into our energy bodies, and then into our aura and our auric system, and then into our physical environmental space, thereby creating our own wormhole, right? Because when you're in the 0 point, you can access consciousness through the 0 point. And if we go through the wormhole of this neutral space that we're in, we can connect to the unity consciousness and do some healing. So I'd like to do that on the monthly call that I usually do. And so if any of you are interested, I believe the price is $25, so it's not even, and it'll be a meditation. This one will probably be around 90 minutes or less. You know, usually you can't really know how far you want to go, but I think I might even, like, since we'll be in the new moon in that time, I'm thinking we'll want to do some seeding and some, we're going to want to look ahead, see what our future looks like, and then come back into the body, and from that neutral space, seed some dreams from the solar plexus out into the world and out into space. Wouldn't that be cool? I'm loving it. So I just love the fact that this interview just totally brings to point the fact that consciousness does exist. And spirituality is a definite way to create your own self-awareness and create your own system within yourself to connect with consciousness and to heal consciousness. So for some reason, Instagram is saying it's a poor connection. So I'm sorry if this video is not coming out properly on Instagram. I'm still trying to pull this card, but I think I got so excited talking about this interview with Nassim H. I have to figure out how to say his last name and remember his last name. But he's a physicist, and he's been doing this work for a long time. And he's even talking about all these other systems that have the potential to be developed in the next 10 years. So it's a pretty cool interview if you're into learning about those things. And he talks about science fiction as being the future foretelling of the things to come from your own creativity. So it's just really very interesting. Like, I was engaged throughout the whole thing. I couldn't wait for his next words to come out. It's like I was hanging on his every word. And let's do, oh, with all that shuffling, we get a single card. My world is thriving in peace and harmony. All right, guys. So that's what we're going with. It's that Sunday afternoon, relaxation time, and we're going to go into the sound. So I'll just say the things that I usually say, which are, if you're driving and operating heavy machinery, please do not listen to the sound until you're in a safe space where you can meditate. If you have a pacemaker, please do not listen to the sound because it will adjust your pacemaker. And if you are currently pregnant, you may want to talk to your doctors about how they feel about incorporating something like sound into your lifestyle while you're pregnant. This is always something that you can come back to after you've given birth to your beautiful baby. And you may just want to not do this type of work until you've finished your creation, which is the beautiful baby, right? So, and for those of you who are staying in this container and in this room, please say yes for me to hold space for you and for you to receive the sound and to keep the vibration within your system for a longer period of time than you would originally do. Because when you say yes, you're saying yes to me working with your energy, you're saying yes to the sound working with your energy, and you're just saying yes to receiving. So I'd like you to sit back, relax, take some deep breaths, and connect into your higher self in your heart and in your body. Just bring your whole higher self into your body. Have it be like it just fills in your body from your toes to your head, to your, through your neck, to your shoulders, down your arms, into your fingers, fingertips, thumbs, thumb tips. Just bring the whole higher self in. Send a grounding cord into the earth, Mother Earth, into her 5D crystalline core, and attach it into her 5D crystalline heart. And bring up the energy of Mother Earth into your heart. Bring up her love, her light, her support, her thriving energy, and her guidance into your system. And then you can also send down some feet chakra through the top of grounded cords through your feet chakra. Down into the earth, through the topsoil, past the earth's mantle, and just pulling up from these cords Mother Earth's love, light, support, thriving energy, and guidance through your feet chakra, through your feet, all the way to your head, through your torso, into the shoulders, down your arms, and into your fingers and fingertips. And then bringing in source energy by connecting into your gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, elementals, your teams of energy, light, sound, frequency, vibration, your divine spirit council, your galactic teams, and all your starseed family, bringing them to be around you, creating this circle of love, light, support, thriving energy, and guidance. And these are all the ones that you work with, none of the ones who are trying to access you and who you don't know, but those that you've chosen to work with. And then we're going to ask the angels to pour in source light from the golden sun above your head into your crown chakra and into the crown of your head. And having all of this source energy now moving through your front and back torso, your neck, through your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands, your fingers, your fingertips, your thumbs, your thumb tips, moving through the torso, into the hips and buttocks, into the sexual organs, into the perineum, into your thighs, into your lower thighs, into your knees, into your calves and shins, to your ankles, into the heels, soles, and toes of your feet. And then really just placing source energy into your heart and creating this beautiful, thriving energy, mixing source energy, higher self energy, and Mother Earth energy all together, seeing that beautiful, translucent, with a hint of gold light in whatever color or form you see it in. And then taking that light and bringing it down into your neutral zone. By doing that, you're at your 0 point, and bringing all that energy into your 0 point, you're now going to create this Boddhisatva energy of this neutral trinity energy that's yours, and you're going to flood your whole system with this Bodhisattva energy that's moving through you from the crown of your head into the crown chakra, through your chakra system, into your prana system, into your endocrine system, into your neurological system, into your musculoskeletal system, into your digestive system, into all the systems of the body, into all cells of the body, into your lymph system, into your blood system, into the blood, into the lymph, into the spinal fluid of your spine, into your respiratory system, into all systems of the body, and flowing it through the front torso, your back torso, through your legs, down to the toes, soles, and heels of your feet. And then sending this energy out from your heart chakra to your energy bodies, from your heart chakra to your aura and your auric system, from your heart chakra to the physical environmental container, your space, all around you, 25 feet all around you, from your universal star above your head to your earth star below your feet, and 25 feet all around you, circumference, volume, and depth, filling in with this Bodhisattva energy through your whole system. And you being able to see your alignment, your coherence, and your balance into the system. To feel this energy running through you Allow the music to now come in, relaxing your brain, your synapses, the source energy, and the Boddhisatva energy now releasing any of the excess cortisol and adrenaline in your system. Bringing in Metatron to balance your chakras throughout your body and your energy body, your aura, and your physical environmental system container. Balancing all the glands in your body and your divine masculine and divine feminine with the Merkaba flowing through your body and your system. Allowing you to be in this higher energy now, releasing anything negative, and creating this wonderful, beautiful, energetic container that allows you to vibe up to a higher frequency, feeling the sound harmonic coming through, floating in this Bodhisattva energy, floating in this beautiful energy, and just allowing your whole system to be in neutral. Allowing your beingness to see you floating in neutrality, going with the flow, being balanced in your system, allowing it, seeing it, being it. Saying thank you to Source. Thank you to Mother Earth. Thank you to our higher self. Thank you to our Divine Masculine and Divine Feminine. Thank you to Archangel Metatron for balancing our system. Thank you to our teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, elementals, our sound team, vibration team, frequency team, our light and energy team, divine spirit council, galactic teams, and Starseed family. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are grateful. We integrate all of these beneficial upgrades and intentions through all levels of our self-awareness and all levels of our system for the highest good of all, in safety, harmony, prosperity, and bliss. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Amen. Jai Bhagwan Ki. So be it. And so it is. Starting to wiggle our fingers and our toes to come back. If you were laying down, please try to sit up and come back. If you're sitting up now, you might want to slowly, lightly stretch your upper torso, your shoulders for ease and comfort. You might want to do some ankle rolls on your feet. Just move your legs around, bringing yourself back into your body, feeling into your body, learning what it feels like when you're in the silence and when you're not triggered, to be able to tell the difference, your homeostasis point, right? Your 0 point, your neutral point, and being in this beautiful Boddhisatva energy in neutrality, and getting all the guidance and messages. And you may have gotten several just connecting in and taking some deep breaths now. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come back into the room. So I'm hoping that this meditation, it was quick. It was showing you what this energy, this Bodhisattva energy would be like. And allowing you to see if you'd really want to do this on a deeper level and seed some dreams with it. So just giving you a taste today of what the monthly call would be like if you wanted to take a jump and just go in. And of course, you would, if you did come to the monthly call, you would receive the MP4 at the end of the call. So you'll always have you'll be able to download the replay. So you would need to take that step. But if you come to the call, you will have the replay. And it will be for all the others who don't come to the call, you'll be able to pay for it later on at a higher price, right? So the creation energy in the creation container is going to open us up to a lot more than what we bargained for. So that's the best part, is that you end up creating even more than you thought you would. So, and we have 90 minutes, so it's amazing what we can do, because we can thoroughly work on your system and then bring in the Bodhisattva energy, then go out into the wormhole and see what our future looks like. Come back into the body and seed our futures. Beautiful. I was wondering what was going to come up, and this is just like wonderful. And I want to take this opportunity to thank Clara Fisherova, because the constellation work that I've been doing with her has really opened me up to all this new information and all this new world of where it can be and where I can teach from and where I can bring in even more energy for myself and for everyone who's working with me. So I'm just so grateful. And I just want to say thank you to Clara, to Universe, to everyone who's here, who's going to be on the replay. I really love you all so much. And I thank you for being here, for coming to the replays, for just your willingness to see what this can be. And once you experience it, to know who you were before and who you are now. And the fact that you're coming back is saying that you're making the decision to work with your energy and to be self-aware. And I really would love it if you would watch that video on with the Vishen Lakiani and Nassim, the physicist. You will understand so much more about consciousness, about physics, and about how we're really going to do this when we go into the monthly call. And it is so worth $25 to you right now. It is so worth it. And it's 90 minutes. So with that, I'm going to say all my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places and time and dimensions, and we are disconnected. I am sovereign in my energy, and you are sovereign in your energy. And I'm enwrapped in love right now. I'm so happy. And my world is thriving in peace and harmony. Have a great day, guys. Bye.